Okay guys, so we have done some other example where we had to do, I'm sure you guys had to do some marginal PDF, and now we are to find the expected value of a conditional probability. So if you remember, I'm going to give you the answer for the marginal of x, which is f of xy, f of x equals to 4 over 39 x squared plus 1 over 4. This is for this problem. So I give you this because I already worked it out and all that. So it's not given. You have to work it out. You have to find a marginal PDF of x and of y. But here we have to find the expected value of the conditional probability. So expected value of y given that x equals 2, again, this is actually really simple, but if you guys do not understand, it's because you probably don't practice or you missed some part. This is basically telling you what is the integral from 0 to 1 of y times f of 2, or let me put it this way instead, not f of 2 given y, but f of y given x equals to 2. Now, when you're doing the expected value, so the interval you're going to use for the integral are going to be the interval of the variable on the left side of the bar. So basically it's going to be the integral of y, because it's y given that x equals to 2. Now, and of course you're going to get dy. Okay, so what can we do now? What we're going to do is, because it's y times that, then we're going to get the integral from 0 to 1 of y times the expected, remember the conditional probability is f of xy over f of x. So that will be x cubed, x squared plus y cubed over x squared plus 1 over 4. This is the conditional of y, and then dy. That would equal to, now before I continue, here it says that x is equal to 2. So every time you see x, you're going to put 2 instead. So that would be the integral from 0 to 1 of y times 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4 plus y cubed over 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4 again plus 1/4. And that would be the integral from, actually I'm going to do something. I'm going to put the bottom part outside. So that's 4 plus 1/4 is 1 over 4.25, so 1 over 4.25 integral from 0 to 1 of 4y plus y to the power of 4 dy. What I did here is I made it simple for me to integrate, because I already have the x equal to 2, then I substitute I substitute 2 for every time I see x, and I get a number on the bottom, and that I can just move it outside of the integral to make it easy to integrate. Now that would be equal to 1 over 4.25 and that will be times 4y squared over 2, that's going to be 2y squared, plus y5 over 5. And that's from 0 to 1. So that would be equal to 4, that's 2, and that's 2 plus 1 over 5 is 2 plus 0.2. So you get 2.2 over 4.25. And whatever the answer you get is the number. So guys, I kind of went fast on this one, but basically I'm going to recap what I just did, and so you guys have an idea of how to understand it or how to do it. Now, when you get to find the conditional probability of y given x, you would get the f of x y, which is the given, divided by the marginal of x. The marginal of x, you need to find it yourself. Now, I already posted some videos on how to find the marginal of x and of y, and how to do the conditional of y and the conditional of x. So if you see my other videos, this one should be easy to understand. Now, when you do that, when you get that, after you finish to put the condition of x and y, now it says that to find the expected value is the same way as doing y times f of x again. We did that before. So, but here we say that x is equal to 2. So what you need to do is, every time you see an x, you put 2. So this is what I did on the second line right here. I did f in this line, in this line right here. I substituted 2 for every x that I find. So now this is really important to understand, guys. I hope you guys can understand what I did, and if you don't, go back to my other videos where I did the condition of x, I did the marginal of x, and all these things, and you will understand better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you understand, and if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. And if you want to comment, you can comment. But other than that, guys, I thank you for watching my videos, and have a good day. Bye.